Welcome back to, oh wait, Lexus. What is up everyone? Welcome back to Steve's Corner, and today we are back with another nature walk video. Okay, just wait. This nature walk, tell them what's going on.
So, we are going to be looking at dead birds today.
Yeah, dead birds. There, Alexis said she saw a few adult... Wait, okay, tell us, what's going on? Why did they die, and everything?
They bumped into the power line, and then they got zapped, so they fell down and died.
So yeah, Alexis knows that they got zapped and everything, and there's dead baby birds, so I thought...
Adult.
You got water in your mouth. Yeah, dead adult birds, but I just thought... You know, let's go check this out. I haven't saw the birds yet, so I don't know about anything. Is that a bird right there?
Yeah.
Okay, how much adults are there right here?
There's one right there that's been dead for a little while.
This one died today.
And it died with its mouth open.
So, technically speaking, yes, these are dead. Should we explore the area because there could be more. So, do you know where the baby birds are?
They're kind of, I think.
They kind of flap around over there.
Here, I'm gonna get a thumbnail really quick. I got a thumbnail of the birds. Lexus, come show us the baby birds now. Are you gonna show us the baby birds, Lex? Where? Okay, we know the adult birds are right there. Where's the babies?
They kind of flap around down that tree.
There's 3 of them.
Alexis, we gotta get
Actually, no, there's 4.
we gotta get those dead birds to the dumpster.
How?
That's the thing. We need to figure out what we're going to do. I know a lot of people poke them with sticks and get them, but does any adults know about the dead birds?
Yes.
Mammal.
Rookie.
Okay. Papa Lark is probably able to handle this, but I don't. I'm gonna ask him really quick what we're gonna do, because
Take some pictures. Grab
yeah,
it.
I wanna.
Oh no! Use a fork. Pick it up.
No. We
Hang
use
by
sticks.
its
We use
foot.
sticks. We use sticks. Okay. I want to go. Okay.
You
Papa
need to
Lark's
sharpen
the one
it.
about. Okay.
You need to sharpen-
Papa's the one with wildlife. Okay. Let's go get Papa.
Sharpen the tip of a stick, and then.
Okay, I
stick it
know
in
what's.
the
Okay, I know what we're doing. We're going to go get the baby bird, but I gotta. Not the baby bird. Darn it! I keep saying baby bird. Hey, Mammal, your mammal wolfie's going. You guys go up there. Hold on. I'm gonna put my shoes on. Hold on. Oh, darn it. Dude. Okay.
Chances are they landed on something up there and it fried them.
No.
Oh, she finds those birds.
Yep, I'd say that's what happened.
All right, back to the pool.
Come on, Ava. No, go. Go.
Okay. Well, there that goes, but there's 2, there could be 3, if there's 3, there could be 4. There could be multiple dead birds right here. Wait. Oh. Flies getting all over it. Guys, I mean, should we go look around? Because sign of dead birds here could be anything. I mean, I don't. They did probably land on this electric wire, the utility wires. That's all I could say. I mean, those things can electrocute you, though, but I don't know what for sure. I mean, that's the biggest. They're right there towards it, so I'm pretty sure that's the biggest chance of what happened here, because And I don't know, but they're Could be more around here, as a lot of birds do get electrocuted right here. So, if we find anything else, guys, I'll be making a video for that. But there you guys got it. Dead birds. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give a like and subscribe, and we'll be back with another video. And yeah, it's going to be like another nature type video. That's all I know. So, bye guys.